Hi, well we're on the KG lawn today rather than the KG plot, and as you can see we've got a bit of a mole problem, so we thought we'd try and solve it. We've got a little range of products here that we're going to try to see if we can drive the little critters off, because they might be cute and furry but they do an awful lot of damage, as you can see.
Quite hard to get rid of as well.
Yeah, very hard to get
rid
of.
What we've got, Steve?
What have we got in the box?
Hey, let's have a look. Right, okay.
Oh, the first one.
Now, this is a solar repellent. And what it does, it sends out vibrations along the tunnels, and the idea is that the moles think it's a predator and scarper.
Yeah, because they're quite sensitive, aren't they, to all these, to any sort of disturbance really, whether it's noise or smells or whatever.
Yeah.
So yeah, interesting to see how this one works. Just clip that on top.
There it is.
Oh, very neat.
There we are, there it catches the sun there. There's a solar panel.
I suppose that just stores it up overnight and keeps going.
Yeah, and you put it in there. So far, it's probably... But the idea is that, you know, start at the front of your lawn, and as they disappear upwards, you move this along.
Yeah.
And the idea is that eventually clear out.
We've got quite a way to drive ours, haven't we? We've got to get them back into the field at the back.
What else have you got then, Steve?
Yeah, well, we've got some mole bulbs, which I'm fascinated with. And I think these are a sort of onion, allium. They're quite smelly.
Yeah,
they smell really strongly of garlic, yeah. So just little bulbs, and you get a planting tool with it as well. And the idea is that you dig a hole, I think it's about 10 centimetres, that's about 4 inches deep, where you're around your mole hills, or if you know where there's a mole run, I guess it'd be a good idea to pop one in the mole run. And you use this little tool to take out a plug of soil to plant them with, which is quite ingenious.
Pull it out.
Pop your bulb in.
Pop the bulb in.
And then you've got your plug of soil to put back. And the idea is that obviously you're using the fact that they don't like scent, and that might just put them off. And again, you try and drive them one way. So you'd gradually move your bulbs, get some more bulbs, move them along your lawn until you've driven the things off. So that's that idea. And I think we've got one more thing, Tony, in here, have we?
Got a couple of these. This is anti-mole granules. So you dig 1 or 2 holes, it says, about 10 to 20 centimetres deep per square metre in the affected areas, and then you add a lid full of this and you pop those in. And you know, I think again it's the smell, the odour repels them.
Yeah, it's certainly got a very distinctive scent. It's just a little...
Gosh, that is... Actually, it does smell a bit garlicky.
A little granule, yeah. This looks like shell or something, doesn't it? Yeah, a little carrier.
So, you know, if you're plagued with moles, you know, there are different options on the market available for you. So,
yeah.
You know, have a look and take your choice.
Absolutely. We'll let you know how we get on.